Northeast Ohio has a very long history of manufacturing, and recently Rockwell Automation in Twinsburg opened up their doors to local high school students.
They did, and these teenagers wanted to see what modern-day manufacturing was all about. But the interesting thing is, just like almost all other things, they've been keeping up with technology too.
Close to 100 high school students from Broadview Heights, Maple Heights, Max Hayes, and other schools got a detailed factory floor tour at Rockwell Automation.
So the manual part is putting in the machine in the board.
So what does Rockwell make? Well, here's a hint. They describe themselves as one of the largest companies in the U.S. that nobody knows about.
Basically, whenever you have to control motion or energy, or you need information from a process, people will use our products. If you go to Cedar Point, you'll find our controls on a lot of their rides. A lot of times they're used in automotive manufacturing.
So basically the conveyor runs this over the nozzle.
The students were amazed by how many steps it takes to make a circuit board, and that it was a combination of machines and workers producing the final product.
I thought it was pretty cool, like walking around and seeing all the different kinds of things that everyone does here.
I thought it was really cool to see all like the green boards and stuff, like how you make those, because they're like everywhere.
They can do like so many things and start off from such like a little object and like change it so much to get your refined product.
The students also got to program a Lego robot and learn how the assembly line process works to ensure customers are getting a good product. But it was the variety of manufacturing jobs and the women doing those jobs that stood out to these kids.
The amount of jobs and all the things that people do. And like women in engineering stuff is not like very like, there's not many women in engineering, so I thought it was cool that like I saw all these women and stuff working here.
And they may have inspired new careers.
I like more of like the computer and like behind the scenes working on that kind of stuff more, but this could be an option. It'd be pretty cool.
So you imagine so many of those motherboards and components of so many things. A lot of stuff is made in China, so it's nice to see made in the USA, not just made in the USA, made right here in Northeast Ohio.
Good job, Rockwell Automation.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. So now everybody knows about them.